Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for your dose of sustainability, minimalism, self-development and self-care. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make a DIY vitamin C serum. So this method is going to be using oranges or lemons to improve the general texture and feel of your skin, reduce any acne, scarring and blemishes, even pigmentation, and to aid skin exfoliation. Orange and lemon peels are said to have more vitamin C than the actual orange or lemon itself. So let's look into how we can use the peel to make this vitamin C serum. Vitamin C helps to boost collagen and elastin, which is the secret to beautiful skin. It also helps to make the skin look brighter and more youthful. So using 1 or 2 organic lemons or oranges, rinsing this thoroughly and grating the skin in a 1/4 cup of water and bringing this to a boil until the water turns either orange or yellow, depending on whether you've used a lemon or an orange. Once this is done, you can remove this from the stove and let it cool. Then strain the lemon peel from the water and store this in a dark bottle and refrigerate to protect this from light exposure. You can also add a little bit of aloe vera gel to this mixture for some extra hydration. If you're not keen on grating the peels, what you can do is use a knife and actually peel the orange or the lemon, and then boiling this in the water as you would have done had you grated the peel. Once this is done, if you want to get even more of a punch out of the peels, you can blend it and strain that blended mixture just to get the liquid and use it this way. I used the serum for just a few days, and then I had a video call with my father who I hadn't seen in a few days, and he had mentioned how clear and bright my skin had become. So give it a try and it might just work out the same way for you. And there you go, another easy peasy DIY recipe. If you like this video and would like videos such as this one in future, please do hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well to get notified of future videos such as this one. Until next time, be the change you want to see.